So it's now time to pack, and this is what I'm taking back to New York with me. As you know, say if you come to Jamaica, you can't go back on the plane and you don't have some authentic food with you. Hey my Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back. Yo, where the time goes, I mean 12 days go by so fast. 12 days in Jamaica, and I must tell you guys, it was a vibe, it was an energy. I had an amazing time. Went down by Ochi by the best weekend, and it was a vibe. Daybreak, I love soca, milk and honey. It was a vibe. So we are wrap up the trip and now we are go back to New York City, we are go back to reality, we are go back to work and all these things. But here we go now, you can't come Jamaica and you don't stock up with the goodies them when you're going back home. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be taking back to New York City with me. Alright, come along, I'll show you what I got.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream. Until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurricane Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
So freestyle, I went by Portland, and I link up with Color Summit and the team. And of course, you know, once I go Portland, I have to get some good Portland breadfruit. So right here, guys, I have some roast breadfruit. I'm gonna peel them. Then after I peel them, I'm gonna show you the rest of stuff that I'll be taking back to New York City with me. Alright, so I will go ahead now and peel my breadfruit. I have probably like about, oh my god, probably about 6 to 7 breadfruit. I know me I got overweight, but God go with me, but me not left none, me not left none. Them thing are gold. So me not left none, me I go peel them and I'm gonna show you what I got. Alright, soon come back. So right here, freestyle, I'm gonna go ahead and peel my breadfruit. Then we're gonna cut them in slices and we're gonna put them in the fridge. And as you know guys, Portland breadfruit are the best breadfruits. We're talking about some nice yellow heart breadfruit. And guys, I'm telling you. So actually I had these from yesterday. You know what I mean? But I put them in the fridge. So I'm now peeling them. And I'm gonna put them in my Ziploc bag. And then we're gonna have breadfruit for days when I get back to New York City. So you know it go, peeling the breadfruit, trying to peel them as clean as possible. We don't want them to block up too much. So that is it, Freestyle Nation. Freestyle. Look how the breadfruit yellow. Look how the breadfruit yellow. Now freestyle. Look at this breadfruit. Look how nice this breadfruit is. Nice yellow heart breadfruit. I'm not sure if it will show on camera. Freestyle, these breadfruit are a complete vibes. Look at this breadfruit. As you can see, nice and yellow. You don't need no meat kind to eat these breadfruit. They are so soft, they are so delicious. And as you know, if you know, Portland has the best breadfruit in Jamaica. Them easy for roast, them soft, them taste good. Big up Portland for them breadfruit, yeah. Big up Color Summit and the team. When I start out the breadfruit them you me not like, me appreciate it, bro. So right now I couldn't go back to New York City guys and I don't have some breadfruit. So I'm just there. I peel up some breadfruit. Came back to New York City with me. So just stay tuned. In the meantime, I have some patty over here, so I have some honey bun. I have some magnum, I have ackee, I have pepper shrimp. What else I have? Let me see. I'm so sure what I got. I tell you now. I have scotch bonnet pepper. I have a bag of things. Me and customer I got you. Guess what? I have a mango, East Indian mango. Don't tell customs. Fried fish. The oil works. Oh, turn that man.
Yeah.
Some freestyle right here, as you can see, some yellow heart breadfruit, as I said before. And we're talking about the Portland breadfruit. best breadfruit ever. And as you can see right here, I have my Ziploc bag where I cut them in slices and put them in the Ziploc bag. So you know, so when I go home now, I either put them in the microwave and add them up, or fry them. And guess what? I have ackee in the fridge. So it's either gonna be roast breadfruit with ackee and corn pork, or roast breadfruit with fried chicken back. Now I'm gonna roast breadfruit with ackee and starfish. That played out. So as you can look at these breadfruit, they are so nice and pretty. Yellow heart breadfruit. Let me show you. Look at that. Nice and pretty on the inside. And over here, so my little niece over there, so zoom in for the other Rambo. Yeah, so me and the family them there get the things them together to carry up back. So you know how it goes, so stay tuned. So it's now time to pack, and this is what I'm taking back to New York with me. As you know, say if you come to Jamaica, you can't go back on the plane and you don't have some authentic food with you. So right here, as you can see guys, this is the settings. Right here we have 4 boxes of patties, of juicy patties, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of patties. Also we have some cinnamon roll. We have 3 mango. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to a customer with the mango yet, but I'm gonna try it. And we have some scotch bonnet pepper. We talk about the real original scotch bonnet pepper. We have some ackee, because as I reach up, I'm gonna cook some corn pork and ackee, which is my favorite. And the corn pork and ackee is gonna go with this roast breadfruit. Look at that. 4 bags of roast breadfruit. A total of probably about 7 to 8 roast breadfruit me peel earlier on. And you know how it go. So normally the magnum now. I normally get my magnum at the airport. But since I've recently I realized that when I reach the airport, I can't get no magnum. So I make sure I hold on for 7 from now. So in case I go at the airport and I don't get no magnum, I know so I have a couple in my suitcase already. Now over here, you know say I'm a foodie. So I could never go back on the plane and I don't have my spices them. So right here we have some all-purpose season, we have some season to the bone, and we have some chicken season, we have some pimento season, we have some curry, and that's about it. So as you can see, I am fully stocked up. We have some pepper shrimp we get from down at Mega Quarter, St. Elizabeth, and we have the ackee, the scotch bonnet pepper. My wife Shelly says she want mango, but I try my best as the mango season is up. I have these in the fridge for a while now, so I hope I can make them up with it. So this is it. Patty, cinnamon roll, roast breadfruit, spices. I season them for cook with my curry, my magnum, my pepper shrimp, my ackee, and my scotch bonnet pepper, my mango. Over there, so my brother and his wife and his daughter come check me.
Yeah.
So they over there, so I watch TV and all the vibes.
No.
So you don't know, so we're there freestyle and we have to start the packing from now. Over here, so I have more cinnamon roll. What I do over there, so. And nothing now left back in everything I figure, you know. So we have some more cinnamon roll added and a 1 spice bun. Something is missing from this freestyle. I don't have any sugar cane, so I probably have to drive down to Half a Tree now to see if I can get some sugar cane, so we can add some sugar cane to the mix. So that is it. When we come my yard, we'll bring back the other fern with we. That is it. Here we go. Here we go. It not getting no better than this. And as you know, nothing like the authentic thing them from Jamaica. Even though some of these things they can get them in America, but for some reason it not tastes like how the Jamaica one them taste. So that's about it. So you know the vibes, freestyle. like, share, and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button. Enjoy the movement. Freestyle.